What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. WWDC 2022 has just begun, and Apple released the iOS 16 beta for developers. To experience the new iOS features, I have installed iOS 16 beta version, and in today's video I'm going to show you some exciting new features that add up to messages. The first feature is Unsend, as known as Unsend. Yes, now on iOS 16 you can unsend the messages you just sent out. Just press the message box, and here options line up. And here we're gonna choose Undo Send to see what would happen. And boom, the messages that delivered just disappeared. The chatting box will also show an info telling you unsent a message, which is visible for both sides. But Apple didn't tell you on the keynote is that the time limited to 15 minutes after sending it. And if your contact's still running the older iOS, then he or she will still be able to see the message you unsent. In 15 minutes, there is another thing you can do, is to edit messages. Also, here we send a test message. Then press it, and this time we're gonna choose Edit. Now you can edit the text without unsend it. Super easy and super cool. Once confirmed, the message will be also recognized as edited. The third feature that added to messages is Mark as Unread. On the chatting list, choose one contact and right swipe to the end to mark as unread. Just like this. And you can also swipe to right a bit. And tap the unread button. Once marked, you can also find the messages in the unread list. Easy to find, especially when you got lots of messages to read later. Last but not the least, now you can recover recent deleted messages up to 40 days. Let's say if you deleted messages before but want to find them back later, then you can just go to recently deleted to find it. And here you can decide to delete them right away or just recover them all. Okay, so that's the advanced features that iOS 16 adds up to messages. We can't deny that it's kinda late in 2022, but finally they just come out. Still a good news for iMessages users. If this video helps, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. I would be very grateful if you subscribe. And stay tuned for our next video.